Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law for beginners CA Foundation. Begin by mapping the syllabus and exam pattern, then build a weekly timetable and assign study blocks. Focus on understanding core legal concepts, learn key terms, and practice past questions. Use concise notes and summary charts for quick revision, and schedule regular self-tests to track progress and adjust your plan as needed. Use short, focused sessions with one topic per session and review at the end of each block. Explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else, and write brief outlines from memory. Create flowcharts for case relations, and mark important sections for quick reference. Balance reading with solving past paper questions and sample answers, and revise mistakes immediately to avoid repeating them in future attempts. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a clear, practical book about money that pairs well with study budgeting and long-term planning. It makes saving and investing simple and less stressful for students. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. As exams approach, increase practice frequency and simulate real exam conditions frequently. Focus on commonly tested provisions and landmark cases, and memorize essential definitions and sections. Keep error logs to track recurring weaknesses and spend extra time on those areas. Review summaries daily in the final weeks and rest adequately before the exam to ensure clarity and focus when you sit the paper.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.